Hello everyone. Hello. Hello, is I audible?
Yes, sir.
Is it properly visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Let's say yes or no. Is there a same problem? Instead,
Yes, sir.
let's say yes, your voice is not clear to me. Is it properly visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
System is what?
Visible,
System
sir.
is what? Visible ना इसे बोलो ना पूरा खुल के ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ properly visible. अच्छा, I don't know why only 40 students joined till now. Is there any problem? Only 40 students joined till now. Now suddenly increases 48. I don't know, some problem was there, I think.
Waiting rooms.
Okay, leave it and they will join just like that. So write down first this one. Okay, then I will discuss you about it. If completed, please say completed.
Sir, board is blur, sir.
Blur, na? Therefore, that was asking to you actually. Just wait a minute. Now it's okay or not? Please say.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if completed, please say completed so that I can dictate something. What is after that? I will tell ground wave. Completed. Please complete first. Yes. Yes, please.
Sir, air medium from 10 cube to up to where, sir?
10 power 10. 10 power 10. 10 power 3 to 10 power 10 hertz. Optical fiber 10 power 12 to 10 power 15, 1 5 hertz. This is less than 2 megahertz, 3 to 30 megahertz, greater than 40 megahertz. I think completed, na? Now completed fast, yeah. Don't have that much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now everyone, I will dictate. Okay, and please, if you just okay, leave behind, just again say, okay, again I will repeat. Okay, but because ground wave, write down heading ground wave. Acha, first I will tell what is this. Okay, everyone knows channel means what? Through which, okay, we can transfer our information from one side to other side. This is what is called channel. Okay, just like a for water flow, we have drainage system. That is nothing but I can say one type of channel only. Okay, therefore at particular frequencies only they can transmit our signal. That's it. It's like a wire. It cannot wire medium. Okay, if you start giving 10 power 15 hertz to this wire medium, it cannot transmit its signal. Okay, now wire medium is, you may think, sir, wire this upper one and lower one is similar only, na? This is normal wire. Okay, whatever telephonic wire, if you remember olden days, what we are using, that was this medium wire. But nowadays we are using which? Optical fiber. Even for net purpose, we are using this optical fiber. Why? Because it can transmit high frequencies also. Okay, and for we people require high frequencies. Why high frequencies? Because that so that strength should not loses. Like in other words, I will say attenuation should not occur. Actually, attenuation means lose its strength. Who? Signal. If signal loses its strength, it is called what? Attenuation. So to avoid this kind of things, if I am able to transmit our signal with high frequencies, then possibility is what? Less. Okay, of what? Attenuation. Now after that, this was the normal information I given. Here actually some J-main, 2020, January exam. They ask question from here. Okay, what they ask that I will discuss to you. Okay, but please, this is important. Okay, but very easy. This year only, but I don't know what they ask after second session. Second session exams, what they are. Second session means what? This one, May or June. June, okay. I don't know ki May only na exam. No, May, June, July, August. When exam was held? That exam? JEE in
September, sir.
September. Okay. At that I didn't remember ki they asked from this or not. I didn't see this question paper properly. So if you have, you can see. But 2020 January, I have seen there's question from space wave. Okay, what question? That I will discuss to you. Okay, if any time board gets blur, please just inform to me. Okay, don't leave. If the board is blur, I am not unable to see properly and start leaving. No, don't do this like that, please. Okay, therefore, first, these are type of wave. One is ground wave, another is sky wave, another one is space wave. Okay, what is ground wave? That I am going to dictate to you. Okay, and after that, I will make it each and everything clear. While I will dictate, you may not get some points. Okay, but write down, and after that, I will clear our point. Okay, write down everyone. Ground wave heading. Heading at low frequency range. At low frequency range. At low frequencies, large antennas are used. Why large antennas? That I will discuss. Okay, but at low frequencies, large antennas are used. Okay, thus the electromagnetic signal at low frequency, large antennas are used. Thus the electromagnetic signal, you know what is the electromagnetic? Thus electromagnetic signal is spread out along the surface. Along the surface. Again, I will dictate from starting. At low frequency, large antennas are used. Thus, the electromagnetic signal is spread out along the surface. Okay, by inducing electromagnetic current on Earth's surface. By inducing electromagnetic current on Earth's surface. Okay, if any up to till now I think completed. By inducing electromagnetic current on Earth's surface. Up to till now, if you didn't complete, I can dictate again. Now, such waves are called ground wave or surface wave. Such waves are called ground wave or surface wave. Such waves are called ground wave or surface wave. This completed. Now, if you want, you can write down the next line. Due to absorption of energy, due to absorption of energy, due to absorption of energy by Earth's surface, due to absorption of energy by Earth's surface, the wave is attenuated. You know what is the meaning of an attenuation? Again, I will dictate. Due to absorption of energy by the Earth's surface, due to absorption of energy by the Earth's surface, the wave is attenuated. Okay, and the signal strength gets low, and the signal strength gets low. Okay, and gets low, and range also relatively gets, and range also relatively become less. If any doubt, please ask. Yes, sir. I didn't complete it or completed whatever.
Sir, signal distance gets low, sir.
Distortion, not. Achha, what you are saying? Due to absorption of energy by Earth's surface, the wave is attenuated and the signal strength gets low. Low means low. Thus, the range also, okay, relatively become less. Why it's an attenuated is and everything I will see. Now listen everyone, and after that write what is this. Okay, I've given here some information. Key energy gets low. Okay, and there will be distortion. Why this kind of thing? Please listen everyone very carefully. Okay, see now listen. Why energy gets low? Please see everyone. Suppose that this is the surface of Earth. This is the surface of Earth. In reality, it should be just like that. But suppose that I taken a small portion here. What is going on? Why energy will get absorbed? Okay, why electromagnetic induction will be there? Okay, in Earth surface, each and everything I will discuss. Please see here because this is very low range frequencies. Frequencies are small. Therefore, what happened? They have to travel nearby Earth surface, just like that. Okay. Suppose that if I say this is positive, this is positive. Okay, this is a negative, positive. Okay, what is the positive? This amplitude. Okay, and this is a negative amplitude. This is the positive amplitude, and next will be negative amplitude. Okay, what happened? Because this is electromagnetic wave. In this, what is going on? Electric field and magnetic field magnitude every time changing or not? How? See, if you remember electric field vector, okay, suppose that this is the electric field vector, so magnetic field vector will be perpendicular to this, just like that. This is the magnetic field vector. If because they always will be perpendicular to each other, just like that. Okay, electric field vector and magnetic field vector, they will always perpendicular to each other. Okay, and if you talk only one, either electric field vector or magnetic field vector, therefore you will see this is varying. This is electric field is not just like that. Okay, you have seen in electromagnetic wave chapter. Electric field is not just like that straight line. It is just like that. What? It is just like that. Okay, it means at every position electric field is changing. Due to change in electric field or due to change in magnetic field, what happens? it will induce again. What it will induce? Because here ions are there. Due to that reason, what happen? It will induce opposite direction. If it is plus, so here it will induce minus. Okay, here minus, so it will induce plus. So on Earth's surface, this kind of situation will get generated. Okay, now due to that reason, what happened? Due to, because this is minus and this is plus. Okay, amplitude, this is minus and this is plus. Okay, minus plus. Okay, if you talk at this place, what is the resultant wave? So approximately here resultant wave also, approximately it will try to cancel out this one. Here it will try to cancel out this one. It will, so it means whatever frequencies we are trying to give, okay, on Earth surface, that gets attenuated. Why attenuated? Because here net resultant frequencies gets what? Decreases actually. Why? Because this is minus, this is plus. Therefore, what will happen? They will try to cancel each other. This is trying to cancel out each other. Okay, therefore they will try to cancel out each other. This is also, they will try to cancel out each other. Therefore, what will happen? Okay, therefore, whatever frequencies by which I want to transmit from this place to that place, that we are not able to reach from same, from, suppose that I send here 2 megahertz. So it means it may not reach exact 2 megahertz. It will reach here, suppose that 1.1 megahertz. Where other will went? Other will went in the form of, okay, this. They will cancel out each other. Okay, I can say in the form of loss. Due to this, okay, this was the Earth surface. Okay, and this is generated on Earth surface. This is reason I wrote there. Okay, electromagnetic current will develop. Okay, why it will attenuated? It means why our frequencies will decreases due to that reason only. Okay, this was the reason. Acha, one more thing. But what in exam? Please see everyone. Okay, this was the just basic information. Okay, you should know. But for exam point of view, how to handle this ground wave? Please listen. Okay, and this what I'm going to write. This is the practical thing. Okay, therefore don't think that, don't say to me, sir, how you got this? Okay, practical things. Okay, when you will go in engineering, okay, I think third year only. Okay, there you have to deal this kind of thing. What I'm going to say right now. Okay, so this please remember, very important. If you want, you can write. Okay, very what is, see, these things what I'm going to write, please don't forget. Based upon this one, J mean they will ask direct question to you. But this they did not ask in 2020. They asked from space wave. What they will ask, that I will tell. But for you people, they will ask from here also. Okay, now see what is this, that I'm going, very easy also. Height of this antenna, height of antennas, this that will be equals to lambda by 4. Please remember, don't forget. They will ask direct question from here in J main. Please remember. Lambda by 4. This is wavelength by 4. How they will ask question, that I will tell. Please write down, draw this figure, and after that write down this one, and I will ask you questions. Okay, and very easy, because you know how to deal. Because what is traveling? Electromagnetic wave is traveling. So electromagnetic wave is traveling means what? It have velocity equals to of velocity of light. Okay, that is nothing but 3 to 10 power 8, and by which you can find what is the wavelength. Please first write down, and after that I will discuss how in JMN they may ask question to you. antenna or tower, same thing. Okay, same. Completed? If completed, please solve this problem. Any answer? Any first answer? Anyone? This is the first problem. Second problem.
250 meters.
250
Meters.
meter. Okay, that in this first one, huh? That
Yes,
I will
sir.
cross check. Therefore, see, listen everyone. C is equals to F lambda. That is only, na? Correct actually? Yeah, wrong. Correct only, meter per second. Now see what happened. So lambda is equals to C by F. So C is nothing but 3 into 10 power 8 upon F is what? 3 into 10 power 3. So how much wavelength? This will cancel. The 10 power 5 meter. This will be the wavelength because all are in SI system. Therefore, we'll get in meter. So if I say what is the height in first case? Height of tower will be how much? Lambda by 4. So lambda by 4 means 10 power 5 by 4 meter. So I can say how much? 25 into 10 power 3 meter. So 2.5 into 10 power 4 meter. This will be the height of antenna. Okay, this is correct or not? What you did select that? You did any other thing? Now
No,
see.
sir, same.
Okay, so you got same answer, different answer.
Same only, sir.
You got 250, I think, na? Now listen, here also, F is equals to second one, F is equals to 30 mega. Mega means is equal to 10 power of 6 hertz. Okay, now what happened? Again, same lambda is equals to C by F. So 3 into 10 power 8 upon F is 30 into 10 power of 6. So how much it will be? 10, I think, na? 10 meter. Okay, 10, this will cancel 7, 10 meter lambda. So what is the height of tower? H lambda by 4. It means 10 by 4. It means 2.25 meter. In which case height is required is less. In this case, it means if our frequencies are high, so in this situation, what will happen? Our height of tower should be less. And in this situation, see how much height? Very large height. Okay. So based upon our requirement, okay, they are giving these heights of antenna. Okay, if you remember, generally, if they want to transmit more high signal or low frequencies, especially, they are doing what? Very high antennas. Okay, very high antennas. Some antennas you have seen okay, in nearby places, very high, okay, antennas that height, okay, and some you have seen very less. So this is depends upon what? Lambda by 4. Which type of propagation they want. Suppose the FM, they are using generally high antennas, okay, and high antennas due to this reason also, and plus, so this attenuation should not occur, okay. They want this should not be lot disturbance, okay, due to lot of buildings are there, therefore they increases their height also. Okay, this is the minimum height should be how much? 2.25 meter. Now if completed, then I will tell sky wave propagation. Now next one is sky wave propagation. Sky wave, should I dictate? If any doubt, please ask.
That is 2.5.
2.5? हाँ यार, मतलब मेरी कैलकुलेशन कितनी गंदी हो गई. 2.5 करेक्ट है. 10/4 is 2.5. Now sky wave propagation. Sky wave. Now these are long distance propagation. See everyone, please start writing. These are long distance propagation. These are long distance propagation by reflection from ionospheric layer of atmosphere. Everyone know what is the ionospheric layer, okay, but anyhow I will discuss why it is reflecting. These are the long distance propagation by the reflection from ionosphere, you know, layer of atmosphere.
Sir, could you repeat?
These are long distance propagation. These are long distance propagation by the reflection from ionospheric layer of atmosphere. Ionospheric layer, you know. What is approximately range? 64 kilometer to 100 kilometers. Generally, this assume what is range of ionospheric layer. What is the ionospheric layer? I think you know little bit. Okay, Achha, I will discuss after the. Okay, I think it is 4. If you want, you can write down 64 kilometer to 400 kilometer. If you want, you can write down this is the range of ionospheric layer. Now, next one. See, this is for frequency of 30 hertz. Okay, मतलब what is this is used for the frequency of 30 hertz, 30 megahertz. This is for the frequency of 30 megahertz. Okay. Now write down next. The upper part of atmospheric absorb. The upper part of atmosphere. The upper part of atmosphere absorbs large amount of heat from sun. Write down everyone. The upper part of atmosphere absorbs large amount of heat from sun. Okay, this causes ionization. This causes ionization. This causes ionization, resulting in free electrons. The upper part of atmosphere absorbs large amount of heat from sun. This causes ionization, resulting in free electrons and positive, negative ions. Resulting in free electrons, okay, and positive, negative ions. Okay. This is non-uniform. This is non-uniform. This is non-uniform due to different chemical composition of atmosphere. What is non-uniform? Each and everything I will discuss. Okay, at some point you may not get at this present time, definitely you will get. This is non-uniform due to different chemical composition of atmosphere. Up to till now, anyone doubt is completed? If anyone lag behind, please again say. I will. This is non-uniform due to different chemical composition of atmosphere. Okay. Now next, but due to low concentration of ionization, but due to low concentration of ionization at upper part is less. Due to low concentration of ionization at upper part is less. Okay. Similarly at lower level, radiant energy decreases. Similar, you may not get what you're dictating, but just for write down only. Similarly, at lower level, radiant energy decreases, but atmospheric concentration is high. And again low ionization is seen. The peak, I think up to till now everyone completed. The peak is achieved. What peak? Okay, in which ionization occurs. Okay, the peak is achieved between 60 to 400 kilometer. The peak is achieved. Are you writing or are you just enjoying?
Writing, sir.
अच्छा, हमें लगा घर पे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं कि सर को बोलने नहीं देते तब तक एक नींद ले लेते हैं, ऐसा सब तो कि चलो सो लेते हैं, ऐसा कुछ सो तो नहीं रहे हो?
नहीं सर.
हमें लगा सो रहे हो यार कि चलो सो लेते हैं पहले फिर तो लिख लेंगे कभी ना कभी, ऐसा ये सोना नहीं, लिख लो यार, बस थोड़ा सा है, कौन लिखे बोर्ड पे, थक जाएंगे. Okay, the peak is achieved between 60 to 400 kilometer, where TIR, what is TIR? Means total internal reflection, where TIR occurs and wave gets reflected.
Sir, could you repeat, sir, last one?
The peak is achieved between 60 to 400 kilometer. Okay, the peak is achieved between 60 to 400 kilometer, where TIR occurs. Okay, and wave gets reflected. Where wave gets reflected. चिन्ना शिवा, ये हो तुम यहाँ के चले गए. Now listen, what is this? कहीं से भी कर लो. Listen, everyone listen, and after that you may think, sir, what you are drawing. Listen, everyone, very carefully. These are the layers of what? ionization sphere. I told now there is a layer side 60 kilometer to 64 kilometer to 400 kilometer. This will be the in between ionization will occur. Why ionization will occur? Please see everyone, listen very carefully. Suppose that acha, one more thing, if you keep on moving from ground to top, what happen? Density of air, okay, is starts decreasing. Why decreasing? Okay, because here nearby atmosphere is I can say gravity is more. Due to that reason, what happen for them? Okay, you know each and everything about this one, why atmosphere is closer to it. If you keep on going up, okay, what happen? See, our concentration or density starts decreasing. Okay, now listen everyone very carefully what is going on in ionization sphere. From top, okay, what it's getting energy from where? From sun. Okay, and lower also getting, but not that much as compared to here. So ionization will take place higher at upper portion, but ionization will take place higher at upper portion, no problem, but concentration of ions, or I can say air, okay, or chemical composition is less at top portion, but at lower portion composition is more. So it means you should just forget all those things. Remember is that what you remember? See, here concentration is low and here concentration is high of what? Of chemical composition. So it means here it is a denser medium and upper portion is become rarer medium. Okay, so suppose that everyone know, if it is denser medium and this is rarer medium, if any ray is falling, okay, is greater than critical angle, what happens? It will complete reflect or not? Do you know from total internal reflection concept? Okay, if any ray is falling more than, so every time what will happen? Total internal reflection will occur. Same thing here also. If this is less than 30 megahertz, okay, if it is less than 30 megahertz, then only this will occur. What? TIR will occur. If suppose that it become more than 30 megahertz, it will skip and it will penetrate ionization sphere and it will leave. Okay, and therefore this will become irrelevant for us. This is the reason we are using for less than 30 megahertz for this propagation. समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर, क्या बोल दिया आप? कुछ समझ में आया यहाँ पे?
नो सर।
नहीं, आप सुन, फिर से एक बार सुनो. Suppose that this is rarer medium. Why rarer medium? Can anyone say? Arey, because here chemical composition is less. Here it is denser medium because these are nearer to ground. Okay, and here, okay, what happened? Here the density of air will be more. Okay, here density of air will be less. Okay, what happened here? Due to density of ionization sphere only, this density, okay, is more and here is density is less, and everyone know that TIR will occur when it is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. So this ray is also moving from denser medium to rarer medium. Okay, but for these particular frequencies, when TIR will occur, therefore again they will come to ground. They will this is complete earth only. Therefore don't say sir where they will be. Okay, this is complete earth, so they will again come on ground only. Okay, therefore this is what is called sky wave propagation. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा? I can tell again by other way. You got or not? समझ में आया? Any doubt? अरे बोल दो, फिर से समझा देते हैं कोई दूसरे तरीके से. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
लिख लो. But remember one thing is that here TIR will occur. Why? Because here denser medium and here this is rarer medium. Okay, that's it. Now come to space wave propagation. Mark it important. Space wave propagation. Should I start? अच्छा पहले ड्रा कर लो यार, अगर ड्रा करना है तो ये ड्रा कर लो। Now listen, everyone. Should I start? Space wave propagation. Space wave propagation. Now write down. Space wave propagation. Wave of frequency greater than 40 megahertz. Wave of frequency greater than 40 megahertz are sent via this medium, via this mode, not medium. Wave of frequency greater than 40 megahertz are sent via this mode. Wave of frequency greater than 40 megahertz are sent via this mode, as these cannot reflected by ionospheric layer, as these cannot reflected by wave of frequency greater than 40 megahertz are sent via this mode, as these cannot reflected by ionospheric layer. Okay. Here line of sight transmission occurs. Here, what is line of transmission? That I will line of sight transmission that I will tell. Here line of sight transmission occurs. The line of sight must be clear for transmission and receiving antenna. For transmission and receiving antenna. हाँ
सर आपका नेटवर्क
the line of sight लो है.
यस सर
Are not able to listen properly?
सर स्क्रीन
अरे see everyone. नहीं, don't worry about screen because I am dictating right now, no? Is my voice is not clear to you? बोल दो यार. Voice
Yes,
is
sir,
clear
not
or not?
Clear, sir.
Not clear or not clear, that I don't know. Clear or not?
सर
It's clear, sir. I can
Clear,
dictate.
sir.
Otherwise, clear, sir. Prove something. हाँ तो फिर तुम ही लोग यार डिस्टर्ब कर देता, इतना अच्छा पढ़ा रहे. Now see, starting wave of frequency greater than 40 megahertz reflected by ionospheric layer. Okay, this over. Here line of sight transmission occurs. Okay, what is line of sight transmission? That I will tell. The line of transmission must be clear. The line of sight must be clear. Okay, the line of sight must be clear for transmitter and receiver antennas. For transmitter and receiver antenna. Okay. at such high frequency, power is transmitted in specific direction. At such high frequency, power is transmitted, and at such high frequency, power is transmitted in specific direction. Completed? If any doubt, please ask. मतलब to this now is completed. Doubt तो हम बताएंगे बाद में. One minute. Now, if any problem, please again say keep power. Now listen, everyone. What is the line of sight? I told now here, if transmission will take place due to line of sight. Okay. Why? See everyone. What is the line of sight? First see. Suppose that if I am standing here, where? Here. Okay. ये क्या बना दिया? कितने पैर बनाओगे? See. Okay. Another one is standing here. That person. If what is the meaning of line of sight? It means this should proper in that direction, just like that. This is called line of sight. Straight means parallel from this point to this point. It should go direct. This is what is called line of sight. Okay. Now, if I say next, if you are talk, if suppose that I am here, okay, another one is here. If I say ray is transmitting or wave is transmitting from this place to this place, just like that, so this is not line of sight. Okay, in which case this will become line of sight? See, this will become just like that. If one antenna here, another antenna here, if line of transmission is direct, just like that, straight, this is called line of sight. Are you got or not? Okay, and one time you have seen, okay, when you are using gun, okay, and you are just keeping, okay, your eyes on that one point, okay, and you are looking something, that at that time whatever you are seeing, that is called line of sight. What is called line of? It means you are seeing straight. You are seeing straight, not even just like that. Okay, therefore it should be complete straight. This is called line of sight. So in this space wave propagation, okay, transmission will be due to complete line of sight, not due to just like that. Just like I told in ground wave, what happened? Wave will come, okay, and it will go and again, okay. This will not occur in space wave. In space wave, what happened? Transmission will be due to complete, okay, due to line of sight. Okay, what is this and how in J main question they are asking? Okay, that I will discuss to you. Now, a board is proper visible or not now?
Visible, sir.
Okay, now listen. In J main, how they will ask question to you? Please see. This is height of, okay, I will say height of transmitter, ST, height of transmitter antenna. This is, okay, and I will say this I will say height of receiver antenna, this one. And everyone know ki line of here transmission will be due to complete line of sight only, just like that. Okay, and this height is as compared to radius of Earth is very negligible, very negligible. Okay, as compared to surface of Earth. Therefore, what happened in this situation? This I will say from this. This is called radius of Earth, and in this time, this is also radius of Earth. Okay. If I divide this like that, therefore, what happened? This I will say range of. I will say this is RT. Okay, or you can say dt or RT, whatever, dt, and this is what is dr. Okay, now listen everyone very carefully. If you see this triangle, in this triangle, this is right angle triangle. In this, what you can write, please see everyone. Okay, and I will take this is negligible as compared to radius of Earth. This is also radius of Earth or not? Yes. Therefore, what I will do, see, r plus ht square, okay, is equals to r plus ht square is equals to dt square plus r square or not? Any confusion? Are bolo, any confusion? Because in JMN they will ask question from here. What, how? That I will tell. So any confusion here? How I wrote this one? I can tell again. बोल दो भाई जल्दी. Because this
No,
is
sir.
R, so this is negligible height. Okay, therefore, by tower normal, what mobile tower, na? So what is the height of this tower? This as compared to radius of Earth, very very negligible actually. Okay, what happened here? dt square plus r square. Now listen everyone very carefully. What I will do? Just open this one. R square plus st square plus 2 ht into r is equals to dt square plus r square. So this r square will get cancelled. Okay. Now if you talk, because this is radius of Earth, this magnitude is very high. Okay, and this is only height of tower square. So as compared to this is negligible or not? Okay, yes or no? Because this is 60 around 6,400 kilometers. Okay, and this will be how much? Suppose that 4 meter or 10 meters. Suppose that this much height. As compared to 10 meter, even this will become 100 meter square. If you take ht square, this will become how much? 100. Even this will become magnitude is 100, but this is how much? 64. Okay, 100 kilometer. One more time 1,000. So this means as compared to this is very negligible. Therefore, I can neglect as compared to this. Therefore, what I can say, dt is nothing but square root of 2 into ht into rr naught. Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Now listen, same thing, because similar. This is also exact photocopy of this one only. Therefore, I can write dr. What is r? I can say distance. Okay, well, receiver from this point, midpoint, not exact midpoint. Sorry, this is not midpoint. So dr will be how much? 2 times. Because why not exact midpoint? Because this height of receiver antenna and height of transmitter antenna may be different. Okay. Therefore, you cannot say it is exact midpoint. Therefore, dr will be how much? 2 and into height of receiver antenna into r. Okay, this is just like that. If I said to you, what is the total range in 2020? What they ask, they ask range of transmission. Range of transmission. Due to this one, what is that? How much distance transmission is possible? Okay, when they given height of tower and height of receiver antenna, they given. So how to solve? The total range will become how much? dr plus dt. It means square root of this one 2 ht into r plus 2 hr into r. So this one you have to do in JMain exam 2020. This one, up to this one. Okay, and you will get answer. Up to till now, any doubt you can ask. No doubt, then write down. Completed? L by lambda. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down if you want. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Now we'll stop and we'll meet tomorrow.